In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use constraints in Figma with frames so your designs stay responsive when layouts change. To get started, open Figma and create a new frame using the Frame tool. Once your frame is on the canvas, add a rectangle or any other design element inside it. Next, select the element and look for the Constraints section in the right-hand Properties panel. By default, the element is usually set to left and top, which keeps it attached to the top left corner when the frame is resized. To see how constraints work, duplicate the element and change its constraints to right and bottom. Then, resize the frame and notice how the element stays aligned to the bottom right corner. You can also set an element to left and right or use scale to make it stretch and resize along with the frame. This is useful for headers, backgrounds, and other responsive design elements. Experiment with different constraint settings to see how elements behave as the frame changes size. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to use constraints in Figma with frames. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.